certain Montessori materials are recreated in the kit, and the reason is because children need these materials for grounding the concept. So, in language, we use sandpaper letters for introducing symbols for sounds. So, here is an example for the letter A in Hindi. Things needed are the sandpaper letter, a plate of either rava or rice. So, first take the sandpaper letter, hold it in position, and tell the child, you know the sound A in Hindi. This is the symbol for it, and I'm going to show you how to trace it. Okay, so tracing in the class, some schools they show it by using one finger, some two fingers. So I'll show both. Okay, you trace in the pattern in which you'll be writing the letter. And every time you finish tracing, say the sound loudly. Ah. I will show you with one finger also. Trace along the line in which you will be writing the letter. Once you finish, say the sound ah. Ask the child to trace it a couple of times and say the sound loudly. And when you show them how to trace, just remind them that we don't trace it so hardly but softly. Once a child has had enough experience tracing the sandpaper letter, ask them to do the same pattern on the plate of rava. They can have the sandpaper letter alongside. Just remind them where we started. Likewise, to start tracing on the rava or rice. Once you finish, you ask them, does this look exactly like the symbol on the sandpaper letter? And every time you make it, say the sound loudly, ah. Because it's rava, you can always shake it up and repeat the activity.